Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss position vectors topic from additional mathematics course for IGCSE and O-level students. In this session, we will discuss exercise 13.2, mostly related to the position vectors. And here we have in question number 1, AB, find AB in form of AI plus BJ for each of the following. So we have this A, B, and we have to find the AB in terms of AI plus B, BJ. I is in the X direction and J is in the Y direction. So we'll obtain this AB and these values. And similarly for the other questions. So let's start this 13.2. This 13.2, we have to find the AB while the A and B are given. So AB means origin vectors. So from origin, so we have to subtract this OB to OA. So we'll get this AB. So when A is always right here and this B is here, so OB minus OA is always gives this AB. So it can be also be written on other way. So this OB is basically this 3i. This is the position of this B from O. So this is 3i plus 4j. So this is here, and this A is O to A. This is 4i plus 7j. This is the minus sign here. So we subtract it. 4i plus 3i plus 4j minus 4i minus 7j on I to I relation. So this 3i minus 4j, so minus I, 4i plus and minus 7j, 4j plus and minus 7j, so minus 3j. So A and B is minus 3i minus 3j. Now we have A is 0, 6 and B is 2 minus 4. So for OB, this is 2i minus 4j, and for this OA, this is only 6j, and this minus sign is here. On subtracting, we have this 2i minus 10j. This is AB. Let's solve this last one. E, A minus 4i minus 2, and B is minus 3, 5. So on place of OB, we have this minus 3i plus 5j, and this minus sign here, minus 4i and minus 2j, and on solving we have obtained I plus 7j is the resultant. Similarly for this, let's solve the question number 2. O is the origin and P is the point. This PQ is 3, 5. Find OQ. So we have O is the origin and P is the point, this, and PQ is given, and we have to find the OQ. This is same as part 1, and very similarly for this second question, E is given and EF is given, and we have to find the point position vector of F. So OF, we have to actually find the OF. Position vector of F is means basically OF, and O is the M is the midpoint, and NM is given. Find the vector position of this N. So let's solve this question. Here we have this O origin is always 0, 0. So P is 1, 5. And PQ is 3, 5. OQ have to find. So PQ is always OQ minus OP. So PQ is 3 and 5, while OQ have to find, and this OP is 1, 5. So on placing this on the other side, OQ can be obtained. So 3, 5, and this is minus sign can be changed as a plus sign on the other side. So OQ is equal to 3, 5 and 1, 5. 3 is added with 1 and 5 with this 5. So resultant is 410. So OQ is obtained as 410. Similarly for the part B, we have origin, and E is given as -3 and comma 4, and EF is given as -2 7. We have to find the F position vector. So EF is equal to OF minus OE, and this OF has to find, and OE is given as -3 4, and this EF is given as -2 and 7. So we should place this on the other side. On the other side, this becomes, this negative can be positive. So this OF is -5 upon 11. So the F position vector is -5 11. Similarly, for this last one, this zero origin midpoint, this M is 4 comma -2, NM is 3 -5, and ON we have to find this. So this is NM, OM minus ON, and we have to find this ON, and ON is obtained as 1 3. Now question number 3. Skip question number 3 and let's solve question number 5. Relative to an origin O, the position vector of P is -2 -4j, -2i -4j, and the position vector of Q is 8i plus 20j. We have to find PQ. So this is P vector and this is OQ vector. This is OP vector and this is OQ vector, and we have to find the PQ vector and then magnitude of this PQ vector, and find the unit vector in the direction of this PQ, and find the position vector of M, the midpoint of PQ. So this is very important. Question number 5. So this is OP is -2i -4j, OQ is 8i plus 20j, PQ has to find, and PQ magnitude has to find, unit vector in the direction of PQ has to find, and the position vector of M, the midpoint of PQ. So this PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. So in place of OQ we have write this, and OP we have, this is given, and from this we have obtained 10i plus 24j. This is the position vector, PQ vector in part A. In part B we have to find the magnitude. So we just take this 10 square and then 24 square under root, and the resultant is obtained as 26. The unit vector of PQ, so this is the vector and this is the magnitude. So we'll divide this vector with this magnitude to get the unit vector. So this is the unit vector. So this 10 upon 26 can be written down here, and 24 upon 26 can be written down, and then simplify it. 10 over 26, 5 over 13, and 24 over 26 is 12 upon 13j. So this is the unit vector of PQ in a simplified form. And now we have this kind of picture. So we have this P, and we have this Q, and M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of PQ. So PQ is equal to PM and MQ. PQ is equal to PM from P to M and M to Q. So PM is equal to half PQ. PM is equal to half PQ. So PM is equal to half PQ. So this is half this. So PM is equal to 5i plus 12j. So OM minus OP is obtained as PM is OM minus OP. So in this way OM can be obtained as OM OP plus PM. This OP can be shifted on this side, so OM can be obtained. OM is obtained as this. So it becomes 3i plus 8j. 3i plus 8j. And we can see this is 3i and half. This is 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this is the way when we can obtain this. Here we have this. So this is OM vector can be obtained. This is graphical representation. Uh, let's solve question number 8. Relative to an origin O, the position vector of A is 21 upon 20, 21 upon 21I, and this is J basically. Y coordinate is minus 20, and the position vector of B is 24 and 18. This is X value and this is Y value, or this is I value or this is J value. So find OA, OB and AB. The point ABC lies on the straight line such that AC is equal to CB. Find the position vector of the point C. So we have to find this question number 8. So OA is given as this, OB is given as this, OA and OB magnitude and OAB magnitude. OA magnitude is obtained as this 21 and 22. 20 square is obtained 29, and this is 24 and 18 is obtained 30. Similarly, AB is equal to OB. AB is OB minus OA. So in place of this 24, 18 and minus 21 minus 20j. So we have obtained AB as 3I plus 38j, and AB is obtained 38.11 magnitude. This is the magnitude of AB. So this was the third part, and in a second B part we have to find AC and CB. So this AC and CB, C is the midpoint between A and B. So this AC is basically OC minus OA, and this CB is OB minus OC. So this OC can be shifted here, and this OB can be shifted on this side. So this OC is basically 2 OC, and this OB and this OA can be placed on the other side. It becomes OA plus. So OB is given and OA is given, so OC can be obtained as this. So this is OC is this 45 divided by 2, and this 2 divided by 2. So this is minus 1, and this is 22.5. So this OC is obtained. So C vector has been obtained in this way. So this was question number 8.